Hey there, thanks for tuning in. I'm Ashley Perkins, your marketing mentor. So you're on Instagram and you realize that posting consistently is a huge key to success, but every day you sit down to post something, it's like total crickets. You're unsure of a content strategy that's going to connect you to the right people, bring more people like them in, and convert them to clients and customers for life without feeling like a slimy used car salesman. And that's why I'm making this video for you. I'm going to be sharing my 5 tips for creating an Instagram strategy that connects and converts. And foremost, the base of your Instagram content strategy should be based on the 40-40-20 rule. That's 40% brand awareness, 40% giving value, and 20% for promotion. So some examples of the type of content that's going to raise brand awareness would be sharing blogs and videos, tips and tricks, industry updates, and a little behind the scenes of your business. Giving value would be showing up consistently for your audience in a non-promotional way. Again, sharing insights on your industry, answering questions that they ask frequently, and other things like exclusive content upgrades, freebies, and access that perhaps your other social audiences would not receive. And finally, promotion is pretty self-explanatory, and that's making your audience aware of the products and services that you offer, and perhaps any exclusive deals, promotions, or discounts that you're offering on those products and services at that time. Okay, so now that we have the first tip out of the way and we've laid the foundation for your content plan, the second tip is to be the star of your feed. Whether you sell products or services, your audience should know and recognize your face as well as the voice you use on Instagram. Make yourself the star of your feed by consistently showing photos of you working in your business, on your products, and working with your clients through your service-based business, as well as just giving your audience a peek into your life. You are the star of your brand, and your audience should know you as well as they know your products and services. So when you are brainstorming posts for the 40% of your strategy that's going to be catered to brand awareness, that's the perfect time to make room for your face in your feed. Moving on to my third tip, you want to make sure that you've chosen a relevant theme for your Instagram account. Instagram is a highly visual platform, so for as much time as you spend on your content strategy, you want to spend just as much time on a visual strategy. So make sure that your visual theme is on brand and it's also relevant to your target audience. My fourth tip is to help you save time creating a visually appealing theme, and that is to curate content. Because one of the biggest barriers to entry with Instagram is creating that visually appealing content, whether you're catering it to brand awareness, giving value, or promoting your business. Not everyone has a fancy camera and a professional photo studio, so what you can do is curate photos that align with your theme and your brand and share those on your feed instead to fill the gaps between your own original content. Just make sure you are doing your due diligence and properly crediting the creator of that comment in both the photo itself or the video itself and the caption. And finally, a note on the 20% of your Instagram strategy that is catered to promotion. Don't just come out of the gate and shove a product or a service in your audience's face, but instead use that opportunity to tell a story that sells the problem you solved with that product or service, because people love stories. They connect with stories. They don't connect with sales pitches. So take the time to craft promotional content that also shares an impactful story, whether that's a client testimonial, a before and after, or anything that's relevant to your business, the best way to sell is through storytelling. And there you have it. You now have a full strategy for creating an Instagram grid that connects and converts. Now, if you're looking for a place to document all of this, just click the link below and download my social media strategy for free right now. And as always, if you like this video, hit the like button below and leave me a comment below sharing your biggest takeaway. Also, it's always a good idea to hit that big red subscribe button and turn on notifications because I share new videos every single week, and that way you'll never miss a beat. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.